can be palm shell, palm silk, palm leaves, olive shell, rice husk, bagasse, sawdust, coconut shell, hazelnut shells, etc. Carbonization effects.
Visit to Indonesian customer factory.
The raw materials of the customer are palm silk and palm shell. Raw materials are transferred by conveyor to continuous carbonization furnace for carbonization. The biomass inside the carbonization furnace produces combustible gas, which circulates to heat the furnace and saves external energy. The biomass can be palm shell, palm silk, palm leaves, olive shell, rice husk, bagasse, sawdust, coconut shell, hazelnut shells, etc. Remove dust. Cooling conveyor, 3 sets, discharge charcoal. Carbonization effects.